hour by hour, isn't it? Like,
Yeah, we are taking it hour by hour. Because we've lost all our corporate clients and weddings are postponing, obviously I've had to look at the numbers and try and work that out. But I think as long as people can still order everyday bouquets, obviously people are still having babies, they're still moving house at the moment, they're starting new jobs, they're leaving old jobs. So there is still a lot of occasions. People are still celebrating birthdays and anniversaries. So we're kind of relying on that everyday bouquet to keep us ticking over, basically. 3 days ago, it was looking, it's been quite tough the last few days, but luckily for us, with Mother's Day being this weekend, that's kind of kept us going. Everybody's supporting us in the community, aren't they? Everybody is supporting local businesses at the moment, which is really lovely. We've had to put procedures in place, obviously, especially with deliveries. So we've had to deliver in latex gloves, clean everything before and after each delivery. We are having to do knock and runs, which is great. Not played that since we were kids.
I'm enjoying that bit.
So we are literally knocking, have to put the bouquet down, walk backwards, wait for them to answer the door. We're having to go more down the voucher route as well. So we're kind of pushing vouchers, so maybe people can support us that way as well. If they don't want to buy now, they can buy for further down the line. Obviously, we're encouraging people as well for deliveries. More than coming into the studio.
I think everybody who kind of follows us knows that we are a bit different. There's lots of different styles of floristry. We do stick to being very current, funky, forward thinking. And I think it would be nice, to get our name out there even further afield from Sale and just kind of say floristry doesn't have to be boring.